Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a bit of a different video. First of all, I just want to start off by saying I know I look crazy. I still have my rollers in, but that is kind of the point of this video. So I got a haircut yesterday and I wanted something a little bit more of like a traditional midi haircut. I had kind of like a modified midi haircut. I feel like it wasn't like angled enough before, so I really wanted something a little bit shorter and a little bit more like so you can really see that like cascade kind of going down my head, if that makes sense. Like, you know how you can have like the wave kind of going down this way. Anyway, I feel like mine was a little bit more modified. It was a little bit more squared off here at the front, a little bit more like a longer version of like Jean Tierney's kind of hair. Hers is not as traditional as like other starlets is, so I wanted something a little bit more like Ginger Rogers, like Vivian Lee kind of look, maybe Betty Davis in the 1940s, like that kind of look. I'll put some examples on the screen so you guys can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about, but that's kind of look that I was kind of going for, and I did want it a little bit shorter because I was looking at the video from the Toronto Vintage Clothing Show and my hair did look a little bit too long at the back, I think, for a 1940s look. So I definitely wanted something a little bit shorter. So that's basically what I got. So I'm going to start taking the rollers out and we're going to brush it out. I apologize, I didn't actually get any clips of me with my hair straight because I didn't think I was going to make this video until like this morning, and my hair was already in rollers. So anyway, I'm just going to start taking these rollers out and hopefully I don't look like a poodle because I feel like some of the hairs at the front are a little bit short, so I don't know how short they're going to be. So anyway, let's just get into it. So I have my box where I store all of my rollers in, so I'm just going to start taking them off and then we will start brushing them out, and hopefully, so you can already tell, oh my god, it's already so short. Okay, it's okay, we'll keep going, it's fine. It's just hair, I can keep brushing it until it's fine. Like when it's straight, it's not that short, so if anything, I can just keep brushing it until it's like long enough. But yeah, I don't know, I really wanted something a little bit more like authentic 1940s, so that's kind of what I went for. I'm just gonna do like a time lapse of me removing all of these rollers because this is really boring, so yeah. Oh my god. Look at how short this little piece is. I mean, it's gonna loosen up once I brush it anyway, but still. This is the last roller here at the bang area. And this is what it looks like. It does look a little bit short, but I feel like it always looks short when you like first take it down from the rollers. It's just a matter of brushing it. So I'm gonna grab my brush, one second. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by just running my fingers through it, and that's already gonna give it a little bit more length. You can see the difference on the both sides. It might not turn out just as nice because I feel like my hair doesn't really turn out as nice after I've cut my hair, but so you can already tell it's a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Denman brush. I love this brush. I just want to start with the top, make sure that's all really nice and flat, and then we can start working on the bottom. Okay, this side is starting to come into shape. It's still a little bit shorter on the back because I want to connect both sides, and this one I'm still kind of working on. So I'm just going to keep brushing this side and hopefully I get the same kind of look. I know this is like a really random video, but I just really wanted to share it with you and I was just excited to see how it would turn out. Okay, so this is basically what the first brush out looks like. Typically I add a little bit of hairspray and then I brush it one more time just to kind of get rid of a little bit of the fluffiness. I don't like it when it's too fluffy at the top of my head. I'm still kind of playing around with this front piece because I feel like my hair, since it's so flat, it doesn't give you that like nice 1940s kind of volume here. So it feels like it ends up looking a little bit more 1930s when I like pin it to the side or something. So I'm still kind of playing around with that. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of hairspray. So this is the one that I use. It's the L'Oreal Elnett volume one, and it's like a pink and black one. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of this side and this one. I would never do this in my bedroom. I usually do this in the bathroom, but for the sake of this video, a little bit here too. Okay, I'm just gonna let that kind of sit for a little bit and then we'll brush it one more time. But so far I actually really like how it looks. I love how it looks from the sides. I feel like I need to brush the back of it a little bit more. Like I feel like the back is still a little bit too tight, like the curls are a little bit too tight. This side looks really nice. And then I can see at the back of this one, it's just a little too tight here. So I have to give it a little bit more of a brush. So I'm just gonna wait for this to finish drying. Okay, so I think this is as good as it's gonna get right now. Usually my hair is a little bit more like the tighter curls, and then throughout the day it just kind of like falls a little bit. I feel like everybody's hair is like that. However, I really don't like this volume section that's happening on the side of my head, so I think I'm just going to pin that down. And on this side too. Yeah. And then I'm just going to hairspray all of it. I'm going to do it in the bathroom because I use a lot of hairspray and literally like like per side. And I don't want to get hairspray everywhere. So I'm going to do it in the bathroom and I will be right back. So like I said, I'm still kind of struggling with this kind of bang section because I never really know what to do with it because my hair doesn't like lift nicely like this. It doesn't do it. My hair is just too flat. So I think I'm just going to pin it down here like I usually do, and then maybe I'll just kind of comb these little pieces here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that on this viewfinder, but you know, we will try. We'll wait for this to dry a little bit more and then we'll take the clips out and then I'll show you guys the final result. I think I need to brush this thingy though. Okay, so there's probably still not enough time for these clips, but I really want to take some photos of my hair, so I'm just going to take them off now. Like that. Okay, so this is what the final hair looks like. I really like it. I think it's really cute. It is definitely a little bit shorter than it was before, but I actually really like it. And I know that if I even do like a more 1930s look, I could just leave it a little bit curlier. And I don't know, I really like it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Wait, so I pinned my hair a little bit differently. So I feel like in the 1940s, they had their hair like pulled back a little bit more. And since I'm not really going anywhere, I figured since I already have my hair done, I'm just going to try different things and like take photos and stuff. So ignore the reflector that's like right here. But I pinned it a little bit differently. And I always struggle with how I do my bang section, like I said, because I don't really like my hair like pulled away from my face. But I found a way to pin it where it's still kind of covering my jaw. And it still looks pulled back, but I still have some like hair framing my face. So yeah, I'm actually kind of liking it. I pinned it on this side too. And I don't know, I really like it. I think it looks a little bit more authentic. I'm just not sure how it looks. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like it better like this? Or how I had it before where it's like my hair in front of my face and then I just pin it up at the top. I feel like this looks a little bit more authentic than the other one. So I'm kind of liking it. In the photos, I like this better, but let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I'm actually really liking it. I think it looks really cute like this. Okay, okay, now actually bye.